Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shams Fatima from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. So today I'm going to talk about the RSA algorithm in cryptography. So the outlines for the topic is Introduction to the Cryptography, Types of Cryptography, RSA algorithm, Advantages and Disadvantages, and Applications. Now let's move on to the introduction part of cryptography. Cryptography is an ancient Greek word which means hidden secret in writing. Cryptography is the practice and study of techniques for secure communications in the presence of third parties called adversaries. It contains of plain text encryption, ciphertext decryption. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is public key cryptography. Public key cryptography is also known as asymmetric key cryptography. Here, we use two keys for performing encryption and decryption. That is, the original data is being encrypted and the data from the public key is being scrambled data, and then it is being decrypted using a private key. Now let's move on to the RSA algorithm. RSA is invented by Rivers, Shamir and Edelman of MIT. It is most widely used for secure data transmission. RSA algorithm is known as public key cryptography. Here we have a sender and the plain text is being encrypted using ciphertext, and then it is being decrypted and then sent to the recipient. Let's move on to the key generation. For that, we need to select two prime numbers, let it be P and Q. Calculate n is equal to P star Q. Calculate m is equal to phi of n is equal to P of 1 into Q minus 1. Choose a small number e co-prime to m with GDC phi of n c is equal to 1, and 1 should be less than e, it should be less than phi of n. The last but not the least, calculate the DC mod phi of n is equal to 1. So now let's look into the encryption and decryption part. Plain text m should be less than n. So we get a formula called C is equal to m to the power e mod n. For decryption, we use ciphertext C. M is equal to C to the power d mod n. Now let's have a look into the example of RSA algorithm. So let P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 11. So we have a formula N is equal to P star Q, that is 3 into 11, that is 33. Phi of N can be represented as P minus 1 star Q minus 1, and we get the value of 20 because P is equal to 3 and 11 is Q. Let E is equal to 7 such that it satisfies the condition of 1 should be less than 7, it should be less than 20. We get GCD is 7, 20, that should be equal to 1. ED is equal to 1 mod phi of n. 7 star D is equal to 1 mod 20. So 7 star D mod 20 is equal to 1. So here 7 star 3 mod 20 is equal to 1, and here we get 3 is equal to D. So now let's look into the encryption part. The plain text. We very well know that in encryption we use the plain text and m should be less than e. So we have a formula C is equal to m to the power e mod n. So let m is equal to 31, C is equal to 3 to the power 17 mod 33, and we get the C value as 4. In decryption, we very well know that from the previous text we used ciphertext for decryption. m is equal to c to the power d mod n. So here c value is 4. So substitute in the c as 4. So 4 to the power 3 mod 33, we get m value as 31. So now let's have a look at the advantages of RSA algorithm. It works very fast and it is very simple, especially the encryption part and the verification part. It is easy to implement than elliptical curve cryptography. It is easier to understand, widely deployed, better industry support. So now let's move ahead to the disadvantages part. It is very slow during the key generation. It is slowly decrypted, which is slightly tricky to implement securely. I hope you got some information from my video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye guys.